some more breaking inputs coming in, and Times Now has accessed the CCTV footage of arson last night, which was caused outside Congress MLA's residence in Bengaluru. Shortly, we'll be playing out that CCTV footage. Take a look at this. The way mobs started gathering outside the Congress MLA's residence in Bengaluru. Remember, many people have already been booked for causing arson and rioting in the area. Also attacking a police station and policemen on duty, burning public property, including several vehicles which were parked outside. And these are the images of the CCTV footage that your channel has gained access to of arson and rioting last night outside Congress MLA's residence in Bengaluru. At the moment, situation continues to be tense, but it is under control. Curfew has been imposed in DJ Halli area, and in fact, Section 144 also imposed in Bengaluru following the unrest which was reported yesterday. This was violent protest over a controversial Facebook post, and Imran is joining me live now on the broadcast with more inputs on the story. Imran, if you can explain to us the CCTV footage that we are playing out for our viewers right now from outside Congress MLA's residence which was attacked.
Yes, the incident happened at Kavalbari Sandra, where the MLA's Akhanda Srinivas Mostry's house is there, and a mob of at least 200 earlier attacked the house. And when the cops came, they went back and later regathered. And the MLA's personal assistant Sachin informed us that more than 1,000 people were there in the mob, and the violence went on from 9 o'clock in the night till up till 12:30, 1 o'clock, and it was uncontrollable. The cops, there was a small platoon who had come earlier to control the mob, but it couldn't be controlled. Then the rapid action force was called in, and finally the mob could be brought control at 1 o'clock. And you can see from the visuals the mob running and attacking the MLA's house there. And we showed you in the morning the visuals of how entire area was completely been charred, and the entire house was torched. The stones were thrown. Luckily, that time MLA and his family members who live in the same house were not there at the spot, and they had gone out. And then MLA also made an appeal to the people not to take violence into their hands, and anybody who's responsible behind this action, that he's willing to cooperate, and anybody who's there, they should be booked. But despite that appeals, and despite appeals from religious and political leaders, the mob didn't relent, and the violence went on till late in the night. Only by around 3 o'clock it was brought under control.
Okay, thanks very much for the moment, Imran, for getting us those inputs on the story. We'll take a very quick break here in the bulletin, and when we return, our focus will continue to be on the latest that's coming in from Bengaluru. Stay with us on Times Now.